Today our topic is logic gate. Logic gates are the physical building block of every digital circuit. They take binary inputs and produce a binary output based on a simple rule. Here is an interactive simulator so you can explore each gate hands-on. Toggle the inputs and watch the output change in real time. There are 7 gates and the real world purpose. Each gate have main purpose and we discuss each gate one by one. First gate is AND gate, all or nothing. Used in security checks. Access guaranteed only if condition A and condition B are both true. Enable signals in circuits and address decoding. Here you can see truth table of AND gate. As you can see, both values, if both variables are true, then answer is true. If a variable have one value and b one, then the value answer is 1. Now we can create and circuit logic gate. Now we can take circuit verse tool for this purpose. Now this is a tool of circuit verse. We can build logic gate. Here is a different types of gates and we take AND gate here. This is an AND gate. Now we can take output for this gate. We take an LED for this purpose that shows how AND gate working. Now we take input. As you can see, AND gate have 2 points. So we can take 2 buttons. Now we attach 2 points. This one and also this. If your wire color is red, then it's wrong. Now we connect AND gate to LED. As you can see, if one value is 1 and other is 0, LED not on. And as you can see, both values 1, then LED on. So this is our AND gate and it's working, and it has logic gates and it's for a purpose. Now our logic gate working like that.